Let's use this my 3 layers material to tie this head wrap on my hair. I can style it into 2 styles. I'll be showing you in this video, so stay around and watch till the end. The first thing you're going to do is grab that material and divide it into 2 equal parts. Fold it like this at the middle to give it the division. Then use the elastic band to grab the first part like this. Then you pick one of those parts, that is the 250/50, pick one part like this and continue with the pleats. This is the second one I'm making out of the one part of the 50/50. So you make all the pleat through down like this and create a hole. Make sure the hole is there and use the elastic band to grab it. That's the second one, and I'll go for the third one now, which will be the last one for this pleats. So that's it, and I'll still use my elastic band. If you notice, I have just a little material remaining. If you have a longer material, you can have more than the little I have. I'll show you what to do with it later. So the other parts, 50 parts, place it on your head like this and use the elastic band to grab it. Please note, make sure the elastic band at the back is secure, it doesn't show. I later get to know that it shows in my video, so make sure yours didn't show. So you can see that little part I'm talking about. Yours might be a bit longer if you have a wider or longer material. You can just take it sideways and go deep the excess at the back, tuck it in, or use anything, like just use it to create something. So here I just dip, that's why I said let there be hole. So you dip your hand into the hole and use it to stretch it out, angle to angle, one angle back, one angle front. If you stretch it up, the way you stretch it is the way it will go. You know we have elastic band. So you see I grab the both right part and the other part, I pin them together at the front, and I'll do the same thing at the back, and the center one remain the way it is. You see the elastic band I'm talking at the back, please make sure it is secured, don't allow it to show like mine. So use your hand to adjust the middle part and you are going to have this design. It's not only round gele that makes you look elegant to your party. You can try something simple like this, easy to do by yourself, and you're going to look stunning. Trust me guys. So here I am adjusting and giving all the touches that I needed. I don't know if there is anything like that to have spoken. So you can shift it sideways or whichever way you want to style it. So I try to loosen it up and see how I can create another style. So I remove the front pin and take all the edges at the front sideways. So I achieve this, guys. What do you think about this head wrap? Let me know in the comment section. Give this video a like, share, let it reach more people. Follow if you haven't for more head wrap tutorials. See you soon.